Hey guys, this is the Aprilaire Model 600 whole home humidifier, and the way this works is it just basically has a bypass here that comes from the outlet side of my furnace into the inlet side, and it's got a flapper. It says summer here and winter here, which opens it up, and a solenoid that kicks on when this little controller tells it to. So I've set it to about 5 here, and what that'll do is when the humidity gets low enough, it'll pump water through this only when my blower kicks on. So I've got the blower activation set to on. When you pull the water panel out, you can see just a little tray above it, so that when the solenoid opens, it trickles water over these little holes, which then trickles down over this water panel. And to replace your water panel, you basically just lean this out, or you can take the whole thing out if you want, and slide the water panel out, slide a new water panel in. And the panel for this one is the, I think it's called a Model 35. Let me see here. Yeah, so it's the Aprilaire stock number 35, and it fits a whole handful of these humidifiers. And then here I'll just stick my my little tray back on top. Press your panel back in. Kind of clicks there. And of course, before you pull your panel out, you'll have to set it to summer, or else the flapper's in the way. But when you're done, just make sure that clicks on, and you set it back to winter. And that's really all there is for changing your panel and just your settings and stuff. On the bottom, there's a drain tube that wraps around the furnace and goes down to my little sump pump here, which pumps up and over and into my sink. So if you have a convenient drain, you could probably run that right into your floor, but in this case it's ran to a little pump to pump it up over. But that's the basics of the Aprilaire Model 600, and I think it's very similar to a lot of the other models that they have.